Hi guys, so welcome back to TechnoWeb Hack, and this is the second video or the second part for the information gathering. And in this video we will be looking into the Shodan, which is the search engine for the hackers, which where hacker mostly uses search engine to search for the devices, their IP addresses, the open port devices, and so many things and so many stuff that you can do it here. All right. So I think that most of the people that who are not aware about the Shodan, so for them it will be the learning video, and not just for them, but this video is particularly only for learning purpose, as you will be coming to know what else you can do with Shodan and how powerful it is. All right, so let's start it. And you can see the Shodan interface is already appearing over here, and the website that you will be visiting is shodan.io. So once you open the website, you will see the page like this. You can also go to the home page using by clicking on this Shodan button, and you will get a page like this. Alright, so you can see this is saying that the search engine is for the web, for the security, for the devices, for the refrigerator, and so many things. So this website or the Shodan is particularly for the devices to search, okay, so which are connected to the internet. So Shodan, what it does, it's like it will grab it, or it grab the banner of the devices that are connected to the internet, and it will provide you the very sensitive information about those devices. All right, you can search anything here, the webcam, the any router, any switches. All right, so let's show you there. When you click on the explore button over here, you can see what are the options that you can see. The industrial control system, it means that the companies or the industries that runs over the internet or through the internet, you can search through the various databases, you can search through the various video games. You can also click on this webcam, you can see the cams, okay, net cams, and you can see the devices which are having the default password. All right, so there are lots of options that you have when you search more in here. And okay, so let's like uh, go through. Okay, let's click on the view all button, and here you can see the Shodan CLI. I mean, like how you can install it in some Kali Linux or any machine, and you can use this Shodan CLI to search over the web, and you can see the map of the internet. Okay, so this is the guide to the Shodan, because this search engine, as you are not sure how to search in this Shodan search engine, so there is a book available over here. You can click on that and it will guide you through everything, how and yeah, what are the queries that you will use and how you will search using these queries. All right, so this is the information about the author. All right, so then you can also download it. Okay, the PDF, you can then download it, so then you can go through it, and you will come to know. So this is how you will get the PDF file for this. All right, let's so what I have done is, already I have downloaded that PDF, and I have gone through all of this, and it is easy for you guys that I will be covering up all this thing in here. And for you guys, it's no need to go through the PDF, but for better information and for the better understanding, it is always good to go through the PDF file. Alright, so you can see this is the PDF that is available in the website, so you can go through it and you will come to know how to use this Shodan search engine. Alright, so when you click on the view all button over here, you see this many you have an option for exploit, and like you can search the exploit over here. Let's click on this, and yeah, you can see this is a particular search engine for the exploit. So go back and see what else you have. Shodan, this is the home button, it could be, and okay, this is your account. Okay, so a lot of things, like you can click on the ICS radar and you can see what is going on. So okay, map of the internet, the ship tracker, where the ships all over the world are existing currently, okay, which ship is where, and so many things. So this is how you can search it. So let's start one by one. Just click on the home page and let's see what else you can search here and how you can search here. So I have made a pretty good notepad that you can go through, and there is no need for this much of PDF to go through, but it's always good to have it for the better information. So there it is, where in the single page I have covered up lots of things that is very important to know about the search queries of the Shodan. All right, so for the beginners, as we are making this, and to those who are not aware about the Shodan, so let them know, or it's for them, that this search engine is for the devices, or yeah, any servers, any webcams, all right, any device that is connected to the internet and it is having any valid IP address. So you can search it in there. Also you can say that, like okay, so any server that is Apache or anything you search over there, so it will show you the, I mean, like yeah, the device where it's belong to, what's the IP address, okay, and okay, so all this thing on here. Also, like example, if you search for any router or switch or any Netgear router, or you can also search in the way admin, which is like a default username and password for any device. So when you type like this, it will show you all the devices that are having the username and password by default admin. You can also go like this: admin password, which is the by default username for admin, and the by default password would be password. So it will pop you up all these by default devices, the devices that are having this default username and password. Okay, webcam, you can search like this as well, and instead of that you can also click on webcam. When you go to explore, you can also click on this webcam option over here. Okay, let's click on this, and you can see now, all right, there are a lot of video web server and IP addresses that you can see. Let's click on this one off. So you can see it's asking for the username and password. I'm not sure what is this, but let's try with the admin. So let's see if it will let you log in. It will say that okay, username and password is invalid, because every webcam will have the username and password there, but some of them that you will it will not have. So you can see that, and okay, let's click on one of this and let's see if it is asking for the username and password. Sometime it will pop you up directly, but sometime it will pop you for the username and password. So like this way you can search. Okay, let's go to the next page, and okay, let's see. Okay, so let's click on this and see. Okay, this is also asking for the username and password. Okay, all right, no problem. Let's click on one of this. So all right, and it's just loading up. All right, web server. Okay, it might take some time to reach that server, so let's do one thing. Let's go back. Okay, let's just click on this. All right, okay, just taking time, and not sure why, maybe my bad, this internet issue or something. All right, let's go back and let's click on this once again. All right, so let's just click on this, and okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so also asking for this. Let's click on any of this. Telenor. All right, so it's 090 IP camera. Oh, it is also asking for the username and password. So you can go through number of pages while clicking on the next, and some of the IPs that will not ask you for the password and username, and you will be able to see the uh, the yeah, yeah, the footage with that webcam. So let's see. Okay, let's see wireless. Okay, so you can see when I click on this IP, so it is showing me from where this device location is existing exactly. So you can see this website and the map over here. All right, so you can also scroll up and you can zoom it. All right, you would be able to see where that uh, device is exactly locating. Yeah, here it is. So you can see that like this way. All right, go back once again. Also you would be able to see the real footage of the webcams when you search for some IP webcams. So you can see this is like the IP webcam that we got here already existing. All right, yeah, something like this IP webcams. All right, the real footage that you can see now. Okay, so this is about it, and this is about the webcams that we have gone through. Now let's see for the admin password and user by default username. So sorry, let's see ad admin, and let's search for this. All right, so you can see there are some Apache, this server is there. Okay, so when I click on this Apache Tomcat 5.5, and yeah, Tomcat administration, when I click on this, let's see, Tomcat administration no longer installed by default. So like this, let's see Tomcat manager, and it's asking for the username and password. I'm not sure this will work, admin, because uh, they will definitely secure this. So yeah, it was not working. So let's try another one. India, so Blue Lotus support. Okay, it's asking for admin and give the password as a admin. Let's see if it okay. So you can see guys, now it has by default username as a admin and admin. So it let us logged in, but sorry, it says authentication failed. Okay, so it was just authenticating our username and password, but no, this didn't work out here. All right, no problem. All right, so this is how you will get the let's try with the password. Okay, so yeah, you can see there's some servers that got popped up with username as admin and by default password as password. So this is the location of this device. All right, so you can see the organization, the city, the country, so complete information about this one. Like this way you can search and you will get all this thing here. So any device that you can search with a like a router. All right, so you get this many router all over the world. Yeah, Brazil, United States, Russia. Here you can see the facets that it has popped up over here, and here you see the list. When you click on the next button, so you can you can go through all of this. So let's go to okay, another one that is like something like okay, Netgear router, Netgear. Okay, so you can see the particular routers that got popped up over here. All right, so these are all, most of these are not unauthorized. So if you try to go and authorize guys, so if you do something, so they will track your IP, and this is really yeah, I mean like, and it's not a good idea to go through all of this. This is completely for the hackers who do their penetration testing or this information gathering by VPN or Tor and all these things. So if you are directly just surfing it from your home network, so it's not a good idea to go through all of it. So okay, so let's then the next would be uh, yeah, the filter name and value. So you can give anything like okay, like a port and yeah, 445. So in this case it will pop you up all the servers or devices where port 445 is open, or yeah, they have the port 45 port 445 enable. So you can see this many devices with this open port. Alright, you can give comma 23 comma 22 and let's see if it will give you the result. Okay, great. So it has given this result as well. This is many devices with these three open ports there. And okay, next we can search in the way. All right, the with the CT name you can search, guys. So okay, um, yeah, let's try this as well. So CT, okay, San Diego, and so it will show you all the devices that San Diego's are having. And under this, let's see if our another filter will work. So for 5, okay, all right, yeah, that works. So and in the San Diego city, what are the devices, the devices where port 445 is open, that machines it will pop up. So you can see that same result over here. All right, like this way you can search through it for any devices and all. So this is about the devices. You go, I think you got enough information about it, looks like. All right, you can also search with this category like ICS, which is industrial control system, malware. All right, like if you want to search a category or just type ICS, let's see if it will pop up. So here all over the world, whatever the companies that are running on over the internet, like industrial control system, that is like the companies that are running on the internet. So that information you can see here. Next would be, yeah, all right, net, and only show the result inside the provided IP addresses. Okay, you can search IP as well and the CIDR quotation for the IP. All right, so count, and this will give you the count of the devices. Okay, so like let's see, count colon 1000 or 100. Let's see what it will show. So till 100 count, it has shown you the devices, the complete devices. Okay, the server information, all right, it is given over here. Okay, like this way you can search. Okay, and you can filter it with the different options. So like this also you can search for anything that is like, let's search for the title. You can, this is the one of the option that you can use title, and you can search for anything like, let's see, title colon, and yeah, let's see, hacking or something. So it will show you what are the servers that are related to hacking, that are okay, devices that are having the hacking name or something. Yeah, ethical hacking, yeah, consultants group. All right, so let's see, when click on this, we have to add this in the exception and you would be able to access that, but no, will not do that. So yeah, let's go further, and yeah, next we'll move it to the exploit part. So let's go here and let's click on the view all. So here you can see, guys, the this we have covered up of the Shodan. This is about the map that you can see. I will show you once the what is there exactly in the map. So you can see, just click on explore, and yeah, if the map is not showing here, let's go back there and yeah, view all. So you can see map, and you can, yeah, also search any map here. Like let's see, let's search for the Sri Lanka. All right, then yeah, all right. So, okay, so you can see that it has popped up over here with this red mark, and yeah, this many telnet and yeah, HTTPs, so top services that are running. All right, and these are the countries. Okay, these are the services, countries and organization. Okay, so this information that you can see. All right, you can zoom in by scrolling up over here. You can go through it. Okay, and you can just like this, you can see these are the red dots. So these are some servers which are kept in this particular locations. All right, all right, no problem. So let's go back to view all, and let's, you can go through the images, but that's not that important part here. So let's go to exploit. and here we can see the complete search engine for the exploit. So in the exploit, what you can do is you can search for any of the exploit over here. Like example, you search for the exploit Windows 10, and you would see the exploits that will work for the Windows 10 operating system. You can also search for the port 445, that is yeah, okay, so that is yeah, your file and printing sharing, that is the one. So when you go through this port and colon 445, so it will show you all the exploit that will work when this port 445 is open. All right, so all right, so um, oh, this is the yeah SMB port, that is server message block, and yeah, these are this many exploit that will work on this when this port is open. Because when you will by default in any organization, you will find that the port 135, 139, and 445 will always on, or it will open. So these ports are like for the printer and file sharing, so it will by default it is open, so you can use this many exploit and you can try to attack to that target machine. So like this way you can search for any exploits. Let's for the 23. All right, so you can see this many exploits are there for the 23 port. All right, that is telnet. All right, that's for the 22. Yeah, that's for the SSH. So you can see these many exploit that will work for this port. Also you can search using OS. So let's see, or yeah, that's like a platform and Windows. So when you search for platform Windows, so it will show you all the exploit that will work for Windows. Also you can go through Windows XP. Let's see if it is working fine. Okay, yeah, Windows XP, it has lots of exploit, and yeah, it has popped up all over here. So like this way you can search. If you're not sure about the platform option or this category, just type Windows XP and should pop up. Yeah, all right, it given the result. Like this way you can search in the uh, yeah uh, Shodan. So there are again lots of options that you can use. All right, so or I will go through the PDF once you can see, and yeah, you can go through all of these options that this PDF are having. All right, so till here I have gone through already, guys, and next is installing this Shodan in your Kali Linux. All right, and you can install it using this simple command, and just do this step. Install it using easy install Shodan, and Shodan init your API key. So this information is already given over here when you click on. All right, let's see, let's go back to the home page, main page. All right, and then click on view all. So you would see this Shodan CLI. It is showing you all the information how you can go or how you can install this Shodan CLI in your Kali Linux. So you can do these steps. You can just follow this. You can click on this get your API key, because you will have to log in for that. So I have already your login, and it is very easy to log in Shodan. You can also use your Google account to log in into this. And now after this, you can see what are the options that you will get like this. You can go through all of this, and my IP, parse, and host, what these options will do. So complete information is given over in this PDF. All right, in this PDF also it's given, and in the web page also it is there. So you can go through this, and I have as already installed in my Kali Linux this Shodan. So I will show you how it will look and how it works. All right, so let's clear it out and let's type Shodan. So you can see this many options that it has, like alerts, convert, count, and data. you can go through all of this. So for as you will not sure how to use this, so you simply just type like Shodan, and like as you can see, this is the alert. So how to use this alert, just type alert then. All right, so it should pop you up the help, yeah, how you can use. These are the command that you need to use. These are the command, like okay, you can create an alert, list alert, remove the alert. Like this way you can use show then alert, then clear. All right, so it will remove all your alerts. So like this way you can go through all of these options, or also you can take a help of this PDF file that will show you how you can go through all of this. So you can see alert, and it will show you um, how you can go through this one by one. So alert, convert, count, and all these options that are here, same you will find in here, and it's easy for you guys to go through that. And yeah, all this thing. So I would like to tell you the one thing that you will you might end up with some issue while installing the Shodan. So guys, that is this thing. Let's see that. Yeah, so while installing, when you will type the easy install Shodan, it will not, it will, yeah, it will say that the command not found or something like that. So you should make sure that the Python, that is yes, e8 setup.python, and this file should install in your Kali Linux machine. So to do this, this is that command or the file. You can just type it in your Kali Linux terminal, wget, and this URL. So it will install your easy install method and the Python some the setup file. So after that you perform the easy install Shodan, and then it will install finally. Because I end up with this error and I was not sure what to do next step, so barely I found this solution on the net. And yeah, for you guys it should not be that same case. All right, so next thing, that after installation, the Shodan init that you will be doing, and after getting your API key, you will be just providing it in your here, and that's done. So for getting the API key, you can also yeah, click on here, and you will get this after you logged into the Shodan successfully. So this is all about the Shodan, that you can do so many things in here again. And yeah, so this is all about it. You can just click on this, go through it, just like click on the ICS radar, and you will come to know okay what it is showing. So it will show you where exactly the radar system is existing on the earth. And yeah, so you can see this, like this way it will work. All right guys, so this is all about it. You can go through it, the PDF file that it is providing, and the basic stuff that I have written in the notepad. I will be providing it in your description below. So this is all, and in the next video that we will be looking into the information gathering using some other other websites, that is like a vulnerability gathering. Okay, oh, sorry, the vulnerability and exploit database. There is a website for that, so you can I will show you how you can go through that, and you can see this exploits directly over there. All right, so let's see in the next video. So this is all for it, and thanks for watching this video.